Jean-Michel. I come from China, and I studied foundation last year here. And now this year I'm doing computer science. I found like staff in their IEC, they are so friendly. For example, for me, I'm not so good at writing, so they may give me some material to improve my writing skill. It's really good. I do, because even Albury is a small town, but I enjoy the seaside here, the hill, the starting, seagull. I always like hang out with friends to the seaside, and it's quite nice. Aberystwyth University is I think it's the best university in the UK, and the Aberystwyth is very beautiful town. And also the third thing is people here, they are really friendly and nice. Basically, I learn 4 skills: writing, listening, speaking, and reading. After 1 year foundation, I found that my spoken English improved a lot. Yeah, I remember before I came here, I just can say the simple word, like one word. I can't say the whole sentence. But after here, yes, I do ask help of my teacher, and also I meet some foreigner friends. They help me a lot. IEC teachers, as I mentioned before, they are so friendly, and they will, according to your specific condition, give you some very useful advice. They give you a very friendly class environment so that you can enjoy the lecture or class there. It's really cool. Before I'm doing the computer science, I need to know about some basic knowledge about computer science. And also I need to improve my English so that it's enough for me to enter this course. Because our lecture, they give me lecture in English. If I didn't learn the foundation for whole years, I can't like get used to this environment. So I think it's very important that I took the 1 year's foundation course. Yes. Aberystwyth is very safe. It's very peaceful. You don't need to worry about there's something will happen, because it's quite safe place. And the people here, they are very nice. They are very friendly. Yeah. I will apply the master here. Yeah, because the reason that I want to continue pursue my degree here, because I already get used to this small and beautiful town. I don't want to move. And also the computer science course here is quite good. So I guess after bachelor degree I will apply the master here also.